jacket will not unzip. What do? There's two options. You can either do something with the bottom part of the zipper. I don't know that route, but I wanted to just do the entire zipper because I like to challenge myself in sewing ways and other ways. I like to challenge myself. So I'm going to replace the entire zipper. This tutorial is for the intermediate sewers who already have and know how to use a sewing machine and basic sewing tools, but want to expand their skill set. The materials you will need are your jacket with the broken zipper, a sewing machine, sewing tape, a seam ripper, pins, little scissors, the new zipper, and a wheel of determination. You need to find out the length of your zipper, and you take your sewing tape and just measure it. You can also do this once the zipper is off your jacket, but this is just the steps I took. And so you want to find a zipper that is as closely as the broken one is. And I found mine on Amazon for $9. Next, you need to use a seam ripper to detach the broken zipper from your jacket. Please do not use scissors, as this will just hinder your process and not be very nice. You may have to work around the top and the bottom because it's more sewn tightly there, and seam rippers are very cheap and you can get it from Walmart for often $2. And this will take a little bit of time, so listen to your favorite podcast or Netflix. Next, you have to take off all the little excess threads so you can work with a clean slate. So now it's time to pin on the new zipper. First, you need to detach the zipper from itself and then pin to each side. I like to pin a couple pins at the top and a few at the bottom, and then pin my way along so it stays in one place. Next, you can pin on the other side. But first, there might be some excess also material, so you can just cut that or pin it under for a more finished look. Now you're finished pinning. Make sure that the zipper zips up correctly and is where you would like it. Now it's time to bring your jacket to the sewing machine. Make sure that the fabric is not bundled up under the needle, or it will cause the excess fabric to be sewn and create ripples and just not fun stuff for you to deal with. And remember to backstitch when you start to hold your thread in place. I use a single stitch and sew the zipper twice with a single needle to hold it in place, but you can use a double needle to save you time and to guarantee a straight line. And when you are done, just snip off the little thread with little scissors. And you are done! You have now saved your very expensive winter jacket from being exiled to the back of your closet or in the donation pile, and you've learned a new skill. So now you can congratulate yourself and move on to the next project.